The dark story behind Faceless Bacon. There's a name kid Maria, and he loves to play Roblox, and he creates some game at Roblox, and he see at the middle of the sky Faceless Bacon, and he at the background he sees some screaming at the background, and the minute he something message to him said, click the link. If you don't click it, I will ban you at the Roblox. And there's more. And the Faceless Bacon said, going to tell you. The end.